Inclusive artificial intelligence, pioneering equitable technological landscapes. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, the term artificial intelligence has transcended the confines of science fiction, becoming an integral part of our everyday lives. This transformative technology has penetrated industries as diverse as healthcare, finance, entertainment, and education, redefining the way we interact with information and services. However, this widespread integration of AI also presents a host of challenges, particularly in the form of biases, discrimination, and the potential exclusion of marginalized communities. It is within this context that the concept of inclusive artificial intelligence has emerged, a paradigm shift that seeks to ensure the equitable distribution of the benefits and advancements AI brings, regardless of individual backgrounds, abilities, or characteristics. At its heart, inclusive AI represents a profound shift in the way we conceptualize and construct artificial intelligence systems. It embodies a commitment to crafting technology that is inherently fair, unbiased, and capable of catering to the diverse needs of all individuals within our global society. This extends beyond just acknowledging diversity. It actively seeks to harness the power of AI to dismantle barriers, foster inclusivity, and rectify historical inequalities that have persistently plagued our technological and social landscapes. The significance of inclusive AI reverberates across the realms of technology, ethics, and society at large. The decision-making processes of AI algorithms have far-reaching implications, determining outcomes in realms such as employment, education, and healthcare. By ensuring the inclusivity of these processes, we guard against the perpetuation of biases, stereotypes, and discriminatory practices. This commitment to equity and fairness also fuels user trust, thereby fostering a stronger bond between individuals and the technology they interact with. Furthermore, inclusive AI aligns technology with ethical standards and human rights, presenting the opportunity to rewrite the narrative of how AI impacts the lives of people across the globe. Inclusive AI manifests its transformative potential through a multitude of applications that span diverse industries. In healthcare, AI systems are being developed to provide personalized medical diagnoses and treatment plans. However, if these systems are not designed with diversity in mind, they may produce skewed recommendations that are only relevant to specific demographics. By curating diverse datasets and accounting for various cultural and physiological factors, AI can become a powerful tool that caters to the unique requirements of different populations, ultimately saving lives and improving healthcare outcomes. The journey toward inclusive AI is not without its formidable challenges. One of the most pressing issues is the presence of biases ingrained within the very data that AI algorithms learn from. These biases, often reflective of societal prejudices, can lead to discriminatory outcomes. For example, if historical hiring data is biased against certain groups, an AI-powered hiring tool may perpetuate this bias. The key lies in implementing strategies to detect, mitigate, and prevent these biases. Techniques such as data augmentation, fairness-aware algorithms, and ongoing audits are essential in ensuring that AI systems are accountable, transparent, and equitable. Developing inclusive AI demands a multifaceted approach that embraces diversity, accountability, and collaboration. Firstly, assembling diverse teams of AI developers, encompassing a spectrum of backgrounds and experiences, is essential. A diverse team fosters an array of perspectives, which in turn informs the creation of more well-rounded, unbiased solutions. Secondly, the commitment to inclusive AI extends beyond development and into the auditing phase. Regular audits are crucial to identify and rectify biases that might emerge over time. Lastly, collaboration between AI developers, ethicists, and the communities affected by AI decisions is paramount. This ensures that technology is developed with a comprehensive understanding of its societal impact. The journey toward inclusive AI is not theoretical. It's a tangible pursuit that is shaping the landscape of technology and society. IBM's Project Debater serves as an exemplar, showcasing AI's ability to engage in complex debates from a multitude of angles, reflecting inclusivity of thought. Microsoft's AI for Accessibility is another sterling example, harnessing technology to empower individuals with disabilities, enhancing their quality of life. OpenAI's GPT-3 represents a commitment to minimizing biases and granting users greater control over AI behavior, thereby advancing the principles of inclusivity and transparency. As AI becomes an ever more integral part of our lives, its influence on society intensifies exponentially. The path AI takes, whether one of inclusion or exclusion, hinges on the choices we make today. The stakes are high. Inclusive AI is the linchpin in shaping a future where technology bridges gaps rather than deepening divides. This aspiration calls for concerted efforts in education, policymaking, and ethical development to guide AI toward a trajectory that benefits all of humanity. In this dynamic narrative, viewer engagement is paramount. The collective voice has the power to drive change and mold the future of AI. Your insights and thoughts are invaluable. Share them in the comments section to contribute to the ongoing discourse. Should this exploration resonate with you, a simple gesture like hitting the like button or subscribing can help amplify the message of inclusive AI. Remember, the journey to a more equitable technological landscape is a collaborative one, and each voice counts. The journey towards inclusive AI traverses the intersection of ethics and technology. This crossroads demands that we contemplate not only what AI can do, but also what it should do. As AI systems become more sophisticated, ethical considerations become paramount. Questions arise. How do we ensure that AI respects human dignity and rights? How can we prevent AI from amplifying systemic biases? This juncture prompts us to reflect on the moral responsibility of AI developers and society at large. It urges us to forge a path that steers AI innovation towards a future that is not just technologically advanced, but also ethically grounded. Inclusive AI isn't just about addressing biases within algorithms, it's also about bridging the digital divide. As technology propels us forward, there's a risk that certain communities may be left behind due to lack of access, digital illiteracy, or economic disparities. To truly achieve inclusivity, we must ensure that the benefits of AI are accessible to all socioeconomic backgrounds. This involves initiatives to provide affordable internet access, digital literacy programs, and policies that ensure equitable distribution of AI-driven services. The journey toward inclusive AI calls for a reckoning with history. History has shown us the grave consequences of technology that neglects ethical considerations and amplifies inequalities. From the Industrial Revolution to the advent of the Internet, technological advancements have the power to reshape societies, often at the cost of marginalized communities. Inclusive AI offers us an opportunity to break this cycle, to learn from past mistakes, and to craft a future where technology is a force for good, rather than a perpetuator of harm. Inclusive AI is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about empowerment tailored to the needs of marginalized communities. For example, AI can empower Indigenous communities by preserving their languages and traditions in digital formats. Additionally, it can aid refugees by providing language translation services, facilitating integration into new societies. By recognizing the unique challenges faced by different groups, we can harness AI to create solutions that uplift and empower those who need it most. The path to inclusive AI is riddled with ethical challenges that demand our attention. Issues such as data privacy, consent, and the potential for AI to manipulate human behavior require careful consideration. Furthermore, the rise of deepfake technology raises concerns about misinformation and the erosion of trust. Navigating these challenges requires collaboration between technologists, ethicists, policymakers, and society at large. The ethical framework within which AI operates will ultimately determine whether it enhances human flourishing or introduces new forms of harm. As we peer into the future, we must envision a world where inclusive AI is the norm, not the exception. A world where AI-driven healthcare provides accurate diagnoses for diverse populations, where education is tailored to individual learning styles, and where AI-powered financial services foster economic inclusion. This vision requires steadfast commitment and a collective effort to steer AI's trajectory. It's a vision that calls on us to prioritize the well-being of humanity over the pursuit of technological advancement. As the curtains fall on this exploration of inclusive AI, we find ourselves at a pivotal moment in history. The decisions we make today, both as individuals and as a society, will echo through generations to come. Inclusive AI isn't a mere aspiration, it's a moral imperative. It's a declaration that the digital revolution must be rooted in justice, fairness, and compassion. As we venture forth into uncharted technological territories, let us do so with the wisdom to harness AI's potential for the betterment of all. May we emerge from this journey with technology that reflects the diversity and aspirations of humanity itself.